Ashia,
Yes.
yeah, Yusuf said he want to attend the meeting, so I'm sharing the link. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Joining, I'll ask Jahar sir and I'll do.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Hi,
Hey,
Yosef.
hi, how are you?
Yeah, I am good. How are you?
Not bad, not bad. Mm,
What happened to your car?
so it's not nothing happened. I just moved to another country, and this why
Hmm.
I cannot open a bank account because I still waiting for the how we call that. I still waiting to the paperwork that basically gives me the right to open a local bank account, and this why use all my groups and everything. I stopped paid because I don't have any options to do that. So now I try to figuring everything out.
Okay.
Yeah. So I also wrote a message to Jahar and asked him to give me back to the group for now, and I will start to pay whenever.
So,
Try to
yeah,
do.
we just need Java's confirmation and we will figure out
Yes,
something.
no problem. So I start to build it's funny enough you want to let me share my screen real quick and you will laugh on that. I even didn't bake my can I share my screen?
Yes, sure. Let
I
me know.
No, it's still
Now try.
yeah. So it's funny funny enough, but I even didn't pay my make account. I didn't pay nothing. So they bring me to the thousand operations. So nothing was paid for now. Um, so I start to use. So I welcoming user. You help me to do that. What I want to what I try to build basically, it's I want to kind of where is that? Welcome users. Where it was everyday posts. So let's say if I want to create everyday posts, right? So I understand that I need to to basically have the post here, right? And then I need to post it on school. But the thing is, how I connect, and then I need to update the record that this is posted, right? But the thing is, how I can basically. So I need just to update it manually here, or I need to, and how I make sure that. So, so it's content title, and then I need to do content title, and then the content. Um, so can I do? My question is that can I use because I see some automation use Perplexity, for example, to basically to generate this sort of post. So can I just do this with Perplexity, or how? And also, can I do auto likes so that every post get liked by me? Because I
Come again.
need to. Sorry.
Come again, please.
So what I basically trying to do, it's I'm trying basically to make this community. This is my new community, and I'm trying to make it um, as active as possible. So this means I need 200. You see all my groups. Even this is $5 a month, nothing paid. So it's not just your group. It's everything not paid. You see. So what I try to do, I try to bring it to 200 activities a day. So this why can I use school app to basically make likes also like posts or stuff like that, because I do so that in the options that I can like posts, right? Like my general idea is it's watch for messages, create a channel, send message, create a comment, for example, or list a comment or list members. Oh, here, like a generic, for example. But how I actually make, so it should watch for a post ID.
Hmm.
Like my whole intention is to automate as much as possible in terms of school. So something that I can automate, for example, for everyday posts or stuff like that.
So you want to like the
Um,
comments and posts as well?
mm, for example, if somebody posts, okay, I made this post, but this is Rodolfo made this post. So how I can make it like automatically? Mm, I think maybe at least to do the everyday post, but how I basically can I use Perplexity, but I don't want to be too generic. So maybe it's better to just do it manually, because like sometimes um, it's make or I can just upload. Uh, I can upload it to your table, right? And then I can just it can take one post every single day and post it.
Yeah, that can work. Even a Google Sheet also you can work.
Okay. Um, okay, so maybe this is what I will try to do. Push it,
So,
down.
so that's the only thing you would like to make a post every day and based on the topics you will
I
study
want to
later.
try. So my intention is that try to do as much as possible with the automations. But I know that Henry have a lot of automations for school, but he's selling those, and I not in the position now to buy it. So I just try to
Okay.
think what else I can do. Uh, mm, I don't know.
That thing you can
Mm,
set up like a post and create a post. And for the create a post, you will have to put the topic in your biggest like Airtable or Google Sheet, which one you are using.
but like a post, can I like just like all the posts?
You can like, but if you will like at all the posts at once, then maybe it can be considered as a spam for the school.
No, but if I
Any
will
kind
like a post
of,
every, let's say, 10 or 15 minutes, I don't know.
yeah, you can run. You can run. Every 15 minutes there won't be post. So yeah, it is fine. You can do that way. And you can put the create a comments as well, like somebody posts intro post or something, or if they post any questions based on the categories, you can use AI to define the comment, or you can just put one same comment every time based on the category of the post. Like if it is introduction, then you can put one same comment. Like you must have seen in our group that Hojer Peshke has, like he always dropped three comments and all are identical. That's
Who?
automated. Hojer Peshke.
Okay, so how I can do that?
Using a create a comment module.
It should be a trigger.
No, the trigger will be list post, search post, or watch posts. You can watch the post, and based on the category, you can define the routes, and you can put your
Let me
creative
share my
comments.
screen again. Let me share my screen and or Nicholas, do you
Hi,
have
Nicholas.
something? Yeah, maybe. So basically, school, watch for posts.
Yes.
Okay, and then what? What will be the limits?
Your categories, and based on them, you can put your comments.
Okay, so here I should have a limit or not?
Yeah, you can have limit 1, 2, 3, like that. 50 at a
Okay,
time
one
is not good.
effort every, yeah. So every post, I'll save. Okay. Okay, this is all the posts.
Yeah.
No, because I have just limit of one, right? And then I need to what?
Create a comment.
Create a comment. But how I can, like, what the post? Okay. So this is the post. Where is the post ID? This one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And the content.
Content you can add.
This is the actually how I can, but how I can use the user that basically.
I sent you once, right, in the DM that how you can tag somebody.
Um,
Save it. Check in array aggregator.
you know what? And if I just copy model. So in this logic, it should act like the same, right? And
What?
then I add this one, right? So I text aggregator, first name, last name, ID.
No, you don't need a text aggregator in this one.
Okay, but this how I tag the user, right?
Yeah, this you can copy in that module. The thing you have in text aggregator that needs to put into the module.
This one, right?
Full, whole thing.
Okay.
This is because of aggregator. You just map the content and then remove the aggregator. Delete it.
It's
Delete.
not giving me. Okay. And then post ID. This will be the post ID. Text will be.
Yes.
Okay, and then what? And then how I can create a comment.
This you can decide later. So this is how you can set it up. Message you can create later and then put into here.
Right, but this is not just for welcoming. How I can filter if this is welcome message or not?
This is
If it's introduction, you see if it's introduction message, for
actually
example.
if your messages will be based on categories. Intro will be in intro category.
Mm-hmm.
If there is a category, then it's fine. If this is not, then you will have to search in the name whether it contains something like new here or welcome or like that. Or otherwise, you can use the is there is number of posts.
Because I create, you see, I create this one that, sorry, so this one, you see, introduce yourself. Um,
You can use AI then to identify the post type and create a reply for that.
no, I can just link the post, right? This is the post ID.
I'm saying you can use AI to read the content and create a reply for that.
How I can do that?
Any AI like based on this post, just create a reply and then drag that output you can paste here.
Okay, so I need to.
But it will take time, Joseph. It's not
Okay.
possible to set it up now because it's the thing of kind of text formatting and then deciding decision making kind of things. So it will take time. So you can play with it and you can set it up later. Do you have anything else now?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay. Nicholas, hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
So you are new on the community or you have been there for a while?
No, I'm actually quite new, so I've been with you guys for a couple of days. So I'm
Okay.
excited to see what we can find out.
Okay, great. So this is in this class you have any questions or you just want to see like how the things are going on and what you can make out of it?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, but and also if it was possible to, I've sent you some screenshots and we have got some questions for them back concerning a make scenario where I kind of got stuck in the Musicfy and AviHub. Yeah, in the make scenario, every other parts
Okay.
was working just fine.
So
Yeah,
you already sent me or you have to send?
yeah. I've sent it to I think it was to Shirin Salim.
Shirin?
Yeah. Nicola, you can share your screen. Like I have already put a comment there, right? So I can explain you what actually it is.
Okay.
Yeah, the thing is that you are actually running the module alone, right? So when you run that module, you have to pass the value. Only then the HTTP call gets the value and returns you the output. So in the HTTP call, you should pass a file URL where you want to convert the format. It is waived to MP4, right? I mean MP3. So you have to pass the file ID, I mean file URL. Only then the HTTP will call will get will give you the output.
Could you share your screen, Nicholas?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make it all work here. Can you see my screen?
No.
Not yet.
I think it's my weak Wi-Fi connection. I just think it's. Can we move forward without?
Yeah, sure. Shirin, if you have, you can share the screen, please.
Yeah, that's my problem. I'm trying to share my screen with you guys, but I think it's my Wi-Fi connection that's.
No worries.
Uh,
Shirin, can you hear?
I'll share. Just hold for a second.
Okay.
yeah, low bandwidth. Okay.
It's Q's video, right? Nicholas,
Yeah.
it's Q's video automation, right?
Sorry again.
It's quiz video automations, right?
Yeah, the automation.
She's asking, is it quiz automation?
Yeah, it is quiz automation. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, is the screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
You are sharing?
Yeah, it should.
Just 1 second.
But
I think no. Is it visible for Ashia?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Not mine. Nicolai's is not visible, right?
Is
You can
this
switch the tab. You
Nicholas?
can see multiple screen
you
at
can
the
see
top.
No,
mine.
it's your screen, Shirin. I could see your screen.
Yeah, fine. So I'll explain it with my screen, Nicola. You can just refer.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
It was
you
actually the
got
same here.
error
So
in this module, right? Wave to MP3.
yeah,
And what you were trying to do is you were just running this module without
yeah,
passing
just
any value.
yeah.
Okay. So this HTTP call is actually meant to convert a file, convert an audio file with WAV format to MP3 format. Okay. So only if you pass a file, this will run. So in order
Okay.
to test, so in order to test, you should pass a file URL, which is an WAV audio file. So you can see we have mapped the variable in the request content data.file URL. So music file generates and music in WAV format, and we are converting to MP3 format with WAV this mode HTTP request.
Yeah.
You got the point?
Yeah. So
Yeah, so you were getting the error as you was not mapping any value here. See, the URL is empty.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. So you can either run the module till here once and then get a URL. So you can keep testing with that URL.
Okay. So I have to take this what's a file URL 45 and map it into the MP3.
Yeah, let me see if it's possible because this was an old scenario and we don't have the
Okay, you don't
API
have the other
connections
ones.
here. Yeah, I imported
Mm.
I imported the blueprint from Classroom.
Yeah. Okay.
So I just tried testing with only this module. So you can just run the entire scenario till here, unlink from here, and till here you can run the entire scenario. And
Yeah.
in the output, you can see a variable. Inside data, you will get the file URL. So here you can search for URL.
Mm.
And you can map, not map, you can get the URL from output and After
Yeah.
running this module, you can paste it here.
Okay.
Fine.
So okay, that's basically it. So it's only to just move the file URL over to
Yeah,
that part.
it is like we have to give some input, right, to get the output. The
Yeah.
call is to convert the file, but if the file is not there, it will throw error, right?
All right.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Okay. So, and it's also the same with the music file.
Yeah, similarly, music file also we have already mapped few variables here. So music should have a prompt. So we have passed the music prompt and duration of 60 seconds.
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
that already. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So
Have
I
you
will try.
tried this module?
Yeah. But it's coming with an error message as well, just as the MP3. So it was both music file and the MP3 setup that was
Yeah.
giving me an error.
Were you trying to run once this module as well?
Yeah, that I tried to run that once as well. Yeah, but I think
Okay, fine. So you can try the entire scenario at once and let me know if it throws any errors. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any other queries?
No, that's all for me.
Did you understand this, Nicholas?
Yeah. I just need to to move the file URLs so they have this kind of way to get the information further down the line. I'll try to do that, and yeah, and if it works, it's great. Or else I will I will.
And what was
come back
your
with some
error
questions.
message?
The error message.
What
It
was
was
your error message?
It was in just
Kiran, can you share your screen again, please?
just a sec. I think for the AP Hub, it was
Screen visible?
just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you
Yeah.
haven't set up the API key, it will throw unauthorized error. Okay. So
Yeah, it
you
was.
have
It was
to
a
log into these apps and get your own API key.
It was a 4.1 error on the AP Hub, and
401?
and the same on music file. They said it was invalid API key.
Invalid
But
API
it-
key, right? So you have to log into Musicfy and create your own API key.
Yeah, I've
So
done that.
in the blueprint, it will be an invalid key. We just put it random so that you can create your own API key and paste here. You can replace this value with your own API key.
Yeah, I will definitely do that.
Sure.
Can you give me control on your screen sharing?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, Nicholas, once you will, let me tell you the basics. Whenever you run any API, so for that, you need a key, API key to authenticate. Not only here, in any
Yeah.
app you will. So that's why you need to replace your token with your own token. Whatever we have in the blueprint, you have to replace with that one with your own token. That always is found inside the application. Any application you are using, you will go to settings, integrations, and there you will find that. So is that clear to find the API key?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it is. That's
And
not the problem. Yeah.
for the testing purpose, once you will run this full scenario, so it is a live thing, it will work. But if you are running any single module alone, using run once. So whatever the
Yeah.
variables you have mapped there, that will come up here to enter the
Mm.
value. So
Yeah.
whatever the variables you have mapped, you need to enter the value here, and then you need to run that. So if there is no value, it will throw an error, and if there will be a value, it will work. So this
All right.
is the run once is for your testing purposes. And if
All
you
right.
have to use the scenario, so once you will make it live using this button over here, then
Yeah.
this will run.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it's very clear. So no worries about that.
Okay.
So I'll try to insert the file URL and see whether that will work. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, what do you do, Nicholas, in terms of AI and automation things, like you are starting or moving, or you are trying to set up one agency or something like freelancing?
Yeah, well, this is a part of where we could see that the quiz, the wild quiz setup could be an interesting point of generating traffic in certain areas. So that was kind of the issue to try to see whether that could be something we could work around.
Okay. So this is for your own channel?
Yeah, it's for a channel. Yeah.
Okay, great. One more member set up this thing for her name was I guess from R something. Yeah, once she set up, she has good number of views on this, like more than 1,000, 2,000 in starting itself. So it's a great thing.
Yeah, it should be. That was also why I think it was very interesting, because it could drive a lot of engagement, and people are intending to stay longer in quiz setups or quiz scenarios. So I think that was very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it was nice meeting to you. And if you have anything else, we are always live on Monday and Wednesday for live queries. So it
That's
can be
perfect.
helpful for you.
Yeah, that's good to know. Thanks you for your time today.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye, Nicholas.
Bye.
Great day. Yes, Yosef.
Hey, I have a little bit of a problem here. Not something serious, but I add AI here, but for some reason, you see the answer. So I made a system prompt and say, I need you to read this post and I'll create a comment that must be feels human. But in the results, I have this one. How I can delete? I don't want this in the comment.
Okay, show me the prompt, please. Just make some changes, read this post and create a comment like you have said, then say that do not add any closing or initial or closing statement.
Do not add
Any
initial.
opening or closing statement. Give the reply just to copy and paste directly to the user. Copy paste and send to user.
Right.
Copy paste and send to user.
Okay, great. So now I can use.
After that, before that result, add comma and space.
How am I? Sorry.
A space.
Like that.
And the comma. Now add comma there. Yes.
Okay. And this will comment just for one user
Expand
each
this
time,
screen,
right?
please.
Sorry?
Expand this screen. Expand this window. Before comma, just hit backspace. Yeah, now it is fine.
Okay, and then it just will comment to one user, right?
Yes.
Got it. So if I want three different commas, three different replies.
It will work one by one for all three. All posts will be individual, right? So the replies will be individual. $500.
Do you have multiple connections in school account?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
this is the right connection.
Both the connection should be same. Watch post also has the same connection.
Yes. The same.
Yeah. This is because there is no first name and last name.
You mapped
Open
it.
this post, please.
Okay.
Open
Okay,
this
okay.
watch for post. Output.
Okay. First name. Right?
Yeah. And user ID also. User ID also.
This is the user ID, no?
No, that is post. Map from user.
This one, no. This one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Save your scenario.
Let's see. Great. Okay. Okay, great. So now I
Yeah.
can comment to everyone just in the general discussion, right? So great.
Yeah.
Or it's here. No, it's not here. It's in the introduce
This
yourself.
you can avoid. Welcome to our new users. This you can avoid. If the post creation ID is your ID, add a filter that post creation ID is not equal to your ID. Then only it should pass.
Again, if what?
The user ID in there. User
I
ID.
needed
User ID.
fill.
No, add a
User,
add
this
user
one,
ID.
right?
No.
This one?
User ID. User ID. User ID. From
Okay.
user.
If this one?
Yes.
Okay.
User ID
If
not equal to is remove the space from there. Before user ID there is a space. Yes. Equal is not equal to. Not equal to. Yeah. Now find your user ID by listing the users and then you add that ID here.
where I can list the users.
Another module. Save it. Filter. You save your filter. There was one filter. Click on it. Yeah, save it. Yes. Now add list users. Users, search user. Okay, members.
List members.
Yes. Only 10?
Yeah, I have 8 now, so it's okay.
Okay. Search for your name. Yeah, copy your ID.
Where is my ID?
Second
It's
bundle.
Marcos.
Second one. Second bundle.
This one?
Yes. Copy this. Add in the filter. Yeah. Now you can remove that. Save it. Yeah, now it's fine.
So it's basically telling that if it's not my post, I will comment, right?
Yes, yes.
Great. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
I will not do it every 15 minutes. I will do it, I believe,
2 hours?
yeah, every 2 hours.
No, you should add 120 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
And that's it. Every 2 hours.
Right, but I don't want to do it in the night, right? So I want it to end. No, it's not that. Okay. Okay. It's advanced scheduling. Everything
Yeah.
from let's say 10 a.m. Okay, to let's say I don't know
And
10
you should
p.m.
add from the time. Yeah.
Sorry. Right. So
Yeah,
from 10 a.m.
like
to
that.
10 p.m. every day,
Selecting
every
10
month.
a.m. 10 a.m. You need
Sorry.
to select.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. AM.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So for 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. I don't know why it's still in Toronto because I'm not in Toronto anymore. But anyhow, yeah. So I want it to be every 2 hours. Yeah. Great. So this is create a comment, watch for post, create a comment. Great. 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 Now I want to do. Okay. 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 So I will try to do. I will try to do the. I will try to think what else I can do.
Okay.
And then maybe next week, I believe I should hope I will have my card again. And
Okay.
I will join the group again. And by the way,
Okay.
what's the difference between core and pro and teams subscription?
It's based on the usage. Core is the basic usage. If you have the minimal usage, then you can go with the core plan. And if you need more users like 1.5 thousand, like 1.5 lakh operations or 3 lakh, 5 lakh kind of operations, but you don't need teams, but your usage is too much, your data GB, the usage of data is too much, then you can go with Pro. And if you want to go with teams, like if you have multiple teams to manage your accounts, and if you have a big organization, then you will be having multiple teams. So in that case, you need to go with the enterprise, and your data
Mhm.
usage also will be the more in that one. Like in your
Gotcha.
core plan, you have 5 GB of the data transfer each month. But if your data transfer exceeded and your usage of credits and operations is too much, then you like in lakhs, then you can go with Pro.
Gotcha. Okay.
So that's the thing. So based on the usage, you need to decide which one
Mm-hmm.
is best for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So we
Thank you.
hope you will come back soon and we will figure
I
out
will.
something
I
for
will.
the
I
library.
promise. I promise. I promise. I will. I promise. I will. I
Okay.
just need a little bit more time because again, our appointment is just in 7 days, and then once we will get the document, I will. Um. I will. I hope that they will give me at least a debit card, and then I can, like
Okay.
check. For now, yeah, I just don't have. But yeah, I promise I will back. I will do cut some groups and I will stay just with this group because now I'm a little bit on a budget, so I'm not spending too much, but I will definitely save this like keep this group.
Okay. So we will
Yeah, thank
do
you.
something also. We will update you by tomorrow. And yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you very
Bye.
much. Thank you.
Have a
Bye,
good
guys.
day. Good evening.
Thank you.
Bye bye, Yusuf. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.